Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and good day to each and everyone. By the way, my name is Arham Saripada, and I will talk all about the lathe machine. Lathes. The lathe is a machine tools used principally for shaping articles of metal and sometimes wood or other materials by causing the workpiece to be held and rotated by the lathe while a tool's bit is advanced into the work, causing the cutting action. The basic lathe that was designed to cut cylindrical metal stock has been developed further to produce screw threads, tapered work, drilled holes in knuckled surface, and crank shaft. The typical lathe provides a variety of rotating speeds and means to manual and actually move and cutting tool into the workpiece. Machinists and maintenance shop personally must be thoroughly familiar with the lathe and its operation to accomplish the repair and fabrication of needed parts. This is a type of lathe. Lathes can be divided into three types of lathe, easily identification rather. The engine lathe, tortured lathe, and special purpose lathes. Small lathes can be bench mounted and the lightweight and can be transported in the wild vehicles easily. The larger lathes and floor mounted and many required special transportation if they must be moved. A field and maintenance shops generally use that can be adapted by many operations and that is not too large to be moved from one work site to another. This is the picture, or ito yung mukha ng a type of lathe. Number 1 is engine lathe. Number 2 is turret lathe. Number 3 is special purpose lathe. Lathe components. Lathe machine is all have the same general functional part, even though the specific location or shape of the certain part of differ from one manufacturer. The bed is the foundation of the working parts of the lathe to another. So to understand this topic, I prepared a short clip for more information about lathe machine. So let's watch it.
Hello friends, today we are going to see what is a lathe machine and what are the different parts of lathe machine and how actual work can be done on a lathe machine. So in our previous videos you have seen what is a lathe machine. So in a lathe machine there is a chuck on which the object to be cut or the object to be given shape is being mounted, and the machine is on, the object is rotating. On lathe machine, different operations like your drilling operation, finishing operation, as well as your turning operation can be easily done, but the object is rotating. So in this way, tool is kept which is near to your object, which is rotating, and your different kind of operations can be done. So it is the basic tool which is your machine tool, and it is the father of the machine tooling elements. Now we'll see the purpose of lathe machine. So the purpose of lathe machine is to remove chips and shape. So more precise objects can be made in a lathe machine, more production can be obtained. Also, lathe machine is the most initial method of machining. Now I'll talk about how exact operation is done on a lathe machine. The person who's doing a work on a lathe machine has to wear apron and as well as goggles, and he has to stand. Then there is a chuck on which your object to be machined is mounted and your machine is on. Now what happens? You take a tool, which is a high speed machining tool. Single point cutting tool can also be used. Then what happens? It is being kept and it is taken nearer to the object. Let's say I have to do a turning the object. The object is rotating and the tool is kept and the operation can be easily done. If I wanted to do a parting process, then what happens? It can be easily parted. Like I have to drill it. Drill what? Your material. Drilling it and easily from the side, the object can be cut. In this way, finishing also can be done by using the tool, but in the perpendicular direction. So in this way, by using a tool, you can do different kind of operation on your lathe machine. So these are some specifications of a lathe machine. Centers are high, speed has to be in a proper range, and also swing of the bed should be in proper direction. Also, for giving threading, proper tool has to be provided for giving threading. Tailstock should be at a proper height. Also, the motor should provide proper RPM or proper feed to your chuck to rotate. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with eKida and do subscribe our channel eKida.
Thank you for watching. By the way, this is Arham Saripada, and happy Ramadan to each and everyone, and also Sayu sir. Thank you for listening.